Hi guys, it's Wednesday and as what you have noticed, katatapos ko lang din mag-prepare. So, outfit check muna tayo guys. So, anyway guys, samahan niyo ako na pumunta na sa work. So, yan guys, andito na ako sa work and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual. And aside from that guys, meron din akong aayusin na reports regarding liabilities, accounts receivable, and then assets. So, that would be my agenda for today guys. Actually, itong reports na to guys is na-request to ng boss namin kasi gusto niya makita yung total asset for the whole year. So, obviously, kailangan ko siyang ayusin and then kailangan ko din siyang gawan and that would be my agenda, guys. So, anyway, guys, turn lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako.
Creators who have reached 600 followers can earn to showcase siya power videos on live streams. 600 na yun, 38!
Ginagawa mo!
Uy, mark mo 300. Solicitation. Ang narinda ka anay. Gutom. Papalit kit pagkaan. Charot lang. Oh, kopi ko blanca. Ah, di man siya mahilig sa kaan.
So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, pauwi na din ako sa bahay and nadatnan ko yung sunset na sobrang ganda and nakaka-amaze din tingnan. So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today aside from work vlog and then pauwi na din tayo sa bahay. So, yun lang talaga yung nagiging daily routine ko everyday kaya gusto ko kayong isama. So, as what you have noticed guys, sobrang traffic. So anyway guys, as what you have noticed, meron palang fireworks dito. So, panoorin muna natin guys.